Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share a mini album I made using the Christmas Carol collection by Graphic 45. This album was a bit of a challenge for myself. I wanted to do something that would use exactly one paper pad. So this is an 8x8 paper pad and it has 24 sheets. And this is all I used for this. And I wanted to have as few leftovers as possible. So the album itself measures 9¼ by 8¼ and the pages are 8 1/8 by 8 1/8. So this is the cover. I've used the main paper and then this on the back with a nice simple spine. And this album overall is quite simple. I wanted this to also be quick and easy to make. And here we have a tuck spot, then a big page where you can add a lot of photos. Here we have another little tuck spot, and I've left a bit of room around my tuck spots everywhere, so if you don't like the look of this, you can easily cover it with a photo without having to go up to the edge of the paper. Then here we have one pocket page, and this is an insert that is magnetized. So oops. When we close this, it snaps closed here with magnets. So you could put something here and hold it in like that. Next we have a big pocket with one insert here, but you can definitely add a lot more here. It's a deep pocket for the width of the page. And here we have a simple insert. And on the other side we have another pocket with an insert. These are mirror designed. So here we have another magnetized insert, plain on the back. A bit of fussy cutting here. I've fussy cut this and added it, but it's not necessary. If you don't like fussy cutting, you can definitely skip this. Here we have another insert, flip, tuck spot, sorry. And then another one here. And on the last page, we have another tuck spot. And that is it for the album. I mentioned that I wanted to have few leftovers, so I'm going to show you now. These are the pieces. This is the back cover of the pad, and then these are the pieces that I have left over. So a lot of them are, this is the only full page that I have, then a few smaller pieces here, and then the elements from the cut apart sheet that I cut in the beginning and haven't used for decorating. So you can definitely add more decorations inside the albums, or add more inserts in the pockets and use these to decorate those. But overall, I'm really happy with the way I was able to use the pad, and I think that for one 8x8 pad, it's a pretty good sized album with plenty of room for photos. And if you like this and would like to make this, I've also filmed a tutorial for this. It's my first tutorial ever. I I hope it's clear and easy to follow, and I will start posting it shortly after I post this walkthrough. So I hope you'll come back to watch the videos, and hope you've enjoyed this mini album. Thank you for watching. Bye.